Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I am going to do the unboxing for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and I am also going to do the unboxing for the book cover keyboard for Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. So let's start. So I will open it from the back side. I will open this seal. So here you can see from this side I will open it. Okay, so here, and from the other side as well. So I will open this side. Now I will open it from the top. So here you can see, so this is how it looks like inside the box, and then I will take it out like this. Okay, so here you can see it's a very thin tablet. Okay, so here you can see this is how it looks like inside this cover. So first of all, inside the box we have this S Pen. It comes with this tablet, it is included. So it's like a gray color S Pen with 2.8 millisecond latency rate. Then we have this USB type C cable inside this box, and then we have the user manual, and then we have this SIM ejector. So now I will take it out from the cover. So I will open it from here, and here I will take out my tablet. So here you can see this is how it looks like. It's a graphite color tablet. So this is Tab S9 Ultra. So here you can see this is how it looks like. And here you can see this area is for S Pen charging. So we can easily attach our S Pen like this. Okay, and we can also attach it to the other side. So this S Pen has this flat surface, so it can easily attach here for the charging. And then in the front side, this is how it looks like. And then I will turn it on as well. So here you can see at the bottom we have this stand for the keyboard cover. So first of all I will take out these stickers. So I will just remove them one by one. So this is how it looks like when we remove. Now I will do the unboxing for book cover keyboard for Tab S9 Ultra. So I will take out from this side. So here you can see there is like a sticker. So I will take it out, and this is how this keyboard cover will look like. So I will take it out, and then here is our keyboard cover. Now I will open it from this side. So this is how it looks like. So this is how the keyboard cover looks like. So here is the back side. So here you can see there is an area for the S Pen, and then we also have these holes for camera. So I will take this out as well. So basically it's a two-part keyboard cover. So this is the back part. This part you can attach at the back of the tablet, and then this is the keyboard. So here is the keyboard. So I will take it out as well. So this is how it looks like, this keyboard cover. Now I will attach it to the tablet. So first of all I will attach this back part of the cover at the back side of my tablet. So here is the back side. So what I will do, I will just put it like this. I will just put it on top of these camera holes, okay, like that, and you will see it will attach magnetically. So now it is attached magnetically to my tablet. So here you can see this is how it looks like, and on this side you can easily detach it like this. Okay, so here you can see, and inside you can put your S Pen. So what I will do is I will just bring my pen, attach it to the tablet, okay, like that, and I can easily put my cover to the tablet like that. And then at the bottom part you will see you can just take it out like this and use it as a stand. So you can easily adjust it. For example, I want to put my tablet like this, I can easily put it like that. So this is how it looks like. So this stand you can adjust it to any position. So you can see you can put it till here, and you can also move it like that. Now in the second part I will attach it to the keyboard. Okay, so here you can see this is the area for the keyboard attachment. So here is my keyboard. So here you can see, so this part you have to attach it to the tablet. So here is the tablet. Okay, so what I will do, I will just bring it closer to it like this, and it will attach magnetically. So here you can see now it is attached magnetically. Now what you can do is at the back side you can take out this stand like this, and then what you can do is you can adjust it till here, and here you can see you can use your keyboard with your tablet, and you have all necessary keys with this pad as well. If you want to close it, you can just close it like this, and then you can put this stand back like that, and this is how it looks like. And then this is how it looks like from the sides. So here is this side with these buttons, and then from this side you can see you can also charge it. So I turn on my tablet, so this is how it looks like. So it is very smooth and it seems very fast. So guys, this tablet has a dynamic AMOLED 2x display, and it is IP68 water and dust proof. So this is really amazing. And the next thing is the pen that comes with this tablet. It is also IP68 water and dust proof. So if I attach it to the back side of the tablet, you will see here it will show you the charging, and it will also show you the pen is now attached. So if I will just remove it, it will open this kind of menu where it will show you different functionality of this S Pen. The price of this tablet start from $1,200. At the back side we have dual camera system with one camera 12 megapixel and the other one is 8 megapixel. And at the front we also have a dual camera system with both cameras 12 megapixel. This S Pen has a lot of functionality. You can use it as a remote control for taking picture. For example, if I press and hold it like this, you can see the camera is now turned on, and if I want to take the picture, I will just press this S Pen button again, and then you can see it will take the picture for me. There are other things you can also do. For example, if you want to take notes, you can also use it to take notes. I will make a separate video about it, how you can use this S Pen. The next thing I want to mention here is about speakers. So here on this side we have two speakers with one mic, and then on the other side, the charging port side, we also have another two speakers. And then here we have this power button, volume button, then we have two mics here, and then we also have this SD card slot, so you can also extend your memory in this tablet. The next thing that I want to mention here is you can use this tablet for multitasking. So for example, I open my internet browser, and then from the edge panel I will open another app. Let's say I will open this Samsung Notes. Here I can take my notes, and from the browser I can also bring anything into my notes. For example, I want this image, I will just press and hold it with my S Pen. I can easily bring here in my notes, then I can also rotate it. If I want to change its size, I can also do it. The next thing is you can open another app in this multitasking mode. So for example, I will just bring this calculator, I can put it anywhere. So for example, I will put here on top. So here you can see I have three apps working at the same time. I can also rotate them as well. So here you can see, and then if you want, you can also make your favorite apps combination and you can add it to your taskbar as well. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.